We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Cadillac CTS-V models and CTS-V history. Borrowed from the Chevrolet Corvette, a 5.7-liter LS6 V8 engine has been added to the Cadillac, generating a perky 400 horsepower. Power towards the rear wheels of the premium sport sedan was regulated through 6-speed manual transmission.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.